the B tokens that you guys are buying into your wallet is fake. It's a fraudulent one. Those are some members of the community or some fraudulent members that created those tokens and are now selling it to you as the B token. So how do you now recognize the one that is fake and the one that is real? And that is what I'm going to show to you in this video. I've seen a lot of videos. In fact, the reason why I'm making this video right now is because I was just scrolling through YouTube, checking for some updates, and then I saw videos of some creators that they made where they're showing you that this is the contract address of business, or this is how to import, blah, 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 this and that. There was one creator that I even saw. He made the video was good, quite all right. He was telling people that the community members are making fake tokens, distributing fake contract addresses, and like that. And then he now went on to promote a contract address, which I just verified now that it is also a scam, which means he also did not make his research. Probably he did not do his research well. So that is why I decided to make this video now. If you're watching this video, the B tokens that you are buying into your wallet is fraudulent. It is scam. You will now want to ask, how do you know the real one? Let me show you something. When you come over to look at this settings button at the top right of my screen, when you come over here, let's go into my wallet. Look at, this is the wallet. And in case, if you've not created your B wallet, go and create your wallet right now. If I open my wallet, you can see there is B here. Ignore this B. Ignore what is here. I'm going to explain to you in a while, but for now, pay attention. Now, inside this my wallet, you see this, look at this reward section here. You tap on this reward section, you open it, and then you are going to see something. That is if B tokens was withdrawable at all. If B tokens was withdrawable, this is the criteria. Look at this question mark here at the top right of my screen. Once you tap on that question mark, it is going to take you to this page. Now, on this page, what you want to do is to scroll up. You get this type of things. You scroll up and then you see. Look at how to withdraw. Withdrawal will redeem your coins in your rewards account into USDT on Polygon chain to your blockchain account. Please note that withdrawal is irrevocable. Now, they say withdrawal shall meet the following conditions. For you to be able to withdraw, you need to meet the following conditions. You need to have at least 500 coins in your rewards account. And when I go, let's head back. I'm going to show you where my rewards account is. Now, on this screen here, this is my rewards account. And the reason is because you can see I have to tap on this rewards before I go into there. So this is my rewards account. Now, you must have 500 coins here for you to be eligible for withdrawal. So if you don't have 500 coins there, forget it. You are not yet eligible for withdrawal. And they now said also that you must be mining B for at least 30 days, which I'm sure all of you here, if you're watching this video, anyhow, you must have met up with this requirement. They now said, besides, if you have already have 10 teammates or 1,000 team rewards coins, you can withdraw directly after 7 BNs. So if you have referred 10 people, you can withdraw. Or in your team rewards, this is the team rewards. You have 1,000 coin here in your team rewards, which I currently do not have anything. Then you can withdraw. Now, as of now, this main Bitcoin, it is not transferable. It is not transferable. The coins that the people are sending to you is the fake one. In fact, this contract address that I see here, this Polygon, is the fake one. Let me show you. Here is it that I stored on my notepad. I got these 2 contract address. This is the most popular one, the one from Polygon, and that is one that the community thought is the original one. But the official B team, they have confirmed on their X that they have, as at now, not released any contract address at all. So any contract address that you're interacting with is fake. This is the contract address here, and this is for Ethereum. I made several videos as regarding to this, and a lot of people are in the comment section asking me to send them contract address. Where can they get contract address? And then I got to understand that apart from these people making this video, the community themselves is gullible. Because imagine me making a video. This should be the first video where I'm telling you now that this contract address is a scam. But in those videos, the community members are still asking me, how did they get the contract address? How did they import? I'm now wondering, is it that you watch just 2 minutes of the video and then you rest? People are not paying attention, and this is why people are getting frauded, I mean. So, as you can see, this Polygon address that I have imported on my wallet, I will now go into it right now and remove it because it is a scam one. So, I don't want anything that is going to now compromise my wallet. I'm going to go ahead and remove it. So currently, B has not released their own contract address. And if they even release the contract address, this is what this page is for. Follow me here. I'm going to get the updates because we do update you guys. And if you want to buy and sell other valuable coins like Sidra Chain, Pi Network, or any other crypto at all, you can send me a DM. My contact is going to be in the description box. Just check that Telegram link. There's my Telegram link in the description box. Once you click on it, it will take you to my Telegram channel where you get my WhatsApp number and you can message me to purchase any coin of your choice. Now, if you want to learn about how all these wallets work, you want to understand Web3, the base of Web3, and all of this information, so you can also send me a DM. I'm currently teaching people, so you get all of these details and you know how to avoid being scammed. As for those of you that still want to get KYC on B Network, hold on. B is going to release an information this week. They are going to update their app. So once they update their app and new KYC slot comes out, trust me to also make a video showing you how to go about it. And that is basically it. Make sure that you are following me on my X, which is formerly Twitter. Start for 20 seconds X. Follow me there because that's where I drop most of my updates, even before I upload videos on them.